Let's look at today at any other thing like wide area network. What is a wide area network? Wide area network refers to the network that is global. It's a wide area network. It's a type of a network that is it is globally, or its coverage goes globally. Wide area network refers to a network that covers the globe. For instance, look at the internet. So environments that use the one wide area network may include televisions or the spectrum, security organization, radios, satellites, e-commerce and transport or supply chains. Here, let's try to look at wide area network in a sense that look at televisions. Your television could be also, or a television in your country might be even viewed in two different countries. For instance, look at CNN. It is globally, it's on a network that is wide. It's from the English land to different uh, countries. Look at MSNBC and others that may be appropriate or that may come, Al Jazeera and others. Those are the ways that we can define wide area network. Look at security organizations like the Interpol. They intercommunicate from countries to countries, from one country to another. So different countries may intercommunicate, change files, change systems together onto different spectrum or a wide range of communication. So security environments may need to handle things with or on a wide area network. Radio stations, BBC and others, Radio France, all those and others that may come in years, that they can cover a globe from the North Pole to the South Pole. You can get those radio stations. So satellites, when we go to onto areas where satellites are useful, you will see that they need a wide area network. Ground satellites communicating to the outer space satellites. Look at instance of e-commerce, e-transports, for instance, transportations or transporting companies. Then we have supply chains. Uh, they may tell you that within 20 minutes we can deliver food to you. Those supply chains, e-commerce like eBay, Amazon, where you have to connect and buy online. That environment or the complexity that comes with wide area network, it has a lot. It has towers, it has point of sale systems. Here we are talking about banks, we are talking about commercial banks and central or the governors of different countries intercommunicating. So the complexity of the communication of e-commerce, electronic mailing, the YouTube channels and online education, online health checkups, look upon the army, look at the internet service providers like the ones you have in your countries that can provide you with data. Uh, the complexity of all that, computers and servers, radios, televisions, betting companies that are online, all that is what we call wide area network. So the wide area network may come up with all the communication entities that we can as well look at in this diagram. The wide area network structure, the one looks like this. Look at the banks, bank branches. We have internet cafe, we have PCs, we have ground satellites, we have trucks and vans, e-commerce, central bank servers, televisions, the complicity, the one that may call the web or the internet. Its instance comes in onto the wide area network. So the wide area network may have boosters, the boosters that you see on towers, radio boosters, uh, e-commerce boosters. We could be having servers. This other side, someone is delivering food. We could have bank servers. We could have phones and towers. We may have a lot that comes with this. So when you come up with all that, it's what we call a network. So a metropolitan or the man may also be part of the wide area network. The low area network might also enter into what we call the one. So the big entity of all communication, the interconnectivity, the gathering of all the devices, the switches, the routers, Wi-Fi, computers, all these, it's what we call the wide area network. Briefly, we can end there for now. You may search for more of our items onto that concerns or tutorials from our YouTube channel, that is Northbridge Technologies. Briefly, that is it for now.